Well, sana may makulong talaga. Ako, I really want to ferret out the truth. That's why I am diligently attending the Senate hearings in the Blue Ribbon Committee. Gusto ko talaga malaman ang buong katotohanan at sino talagang main culprit. Sino talagang ang demonyong nagpasimuno nito. A little bit.
Anong unang alam niyo, sir? Parang napamura kayo or what?
Naggalit talaga ako. Talaga napamura ako. Napakasinungaling nitong taong to. Because first of all, hindi ko siya kilala. And I have never met that guy. Just common sense. Will you think I will be actively participating in this investigation na nandun siya, nakilala ko siya, nagbibigay siya ng pera sa akin? That's common sense. I should have abstained from that hearing, from this hearing. Malakas ang loob ko dahil I did not commit any illegal act.
Sir, dumaan kay, saan claim niya ay si District Engineer Alcantara ang nagsabi?
Si District Engineer Alcantara, he even denied it. Dinenay niya yung kay Senator Joel, dinenay din niya yung sa akin. Oh.
Sir, kinukonekan magkakalala daw kayo nung Maynila pa?
Sino? No. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sa Manila? Siguro I met him once, twice, but never an acquaintance.
May picture kayo ni DPWH Engineer Alcantara, sir? Do you remember that, sir, when it was taken?
I do not know. I cannot recall that event, pero sa dami naman nagpapapicture sa akin. Hindi ko naman pwede tanggihan. Kung drug lord yan, gambling lord, malay ko naman kung drug lord yan o gambling lord, hindi ko naman matatanggihan kung sino nagpapapicture sa akin. Remember, we are all public figures here.
Sir, sasampahan niyo ba ng kaso si
Yes, sasampahan ko ng kaso yan.
Anong kaso?
I have to talk to my lawyers.
Will you confront him sa next hearing?
If he's here, he's seeking refuge in the house already. Doesn't want to come back here.
Sa PNP Custodial Center na daw, sir.
I do not know.
Sabi ni S.P. Soto, nagkaroon agreement ni Speaker.
I do not know. Well, if he's going to be invited or subpoenaed here, then I will confront him.
Pero sir, nagkakauyan, sir, na meron kayo talagang pa-allocate na bondol sa Bulacan or wala?
As I mentioned earlier, lahat yan, line item yan, nasa GAA. Anybody can choose those line items at bintang sa mga senador.
Pero hindi kayo nag-recommend, sir, ng budget?
No.
Wala?
No.
Ever?
No.
So, ni-check niyo na, sir, yung GAA na wala kayo doon na?
Yes, I think so. I told my staff to check on it.
Pero saan siya papunta?
I really do not know kung anong intention nitong si Bryce Hernandez. Ang feeling ko lang talagang he wants to get even with me because I was the one who cited him in contempt. Nakita mo naman, napakasinungaling ng tao ngayon. I asked him kung siya yung Marvin de Guzman, alias doon sa, ginagamit niya alias doon sa paglalaro sa casino. O didinay niya, mukha niya yun nandun. Ang laki-laki magpatalo sa kasino niyan. Ilang daang milyon kung magpatalo sa kasino niya. Saan niya kinukuha yung pera? Oh. Kaya ako naniniwala ako, kahit siguro may ghost project itong Sims Construction, naniniwala ako na totoo lahat ng sinasabi nito na nagbibigay siya ng limpak-limpak na salapi doon sa DPWH kay Bryce Hernandez. Imagine.
Hindi initiative lang ni Bryce, so may tao sa likod niya na nagpunta pa.
Well, I do not have any idea.
Sir, sorry, yung 355 billion, it's in the GAA. You allocated to where, sir? Bulacan?
Bulacan na, nakalagay dyan.
2020.
Ano? Anybody pwede naman mag-choose kung pwedeng ibintang sa mga congressman, mga senador. Lahat yan nandyan, nasa GAA lahat yan.
Pero sa kung pwedeng ibintang kahit kanino, basta definitely hindi kayo
I don't know. No, it's not me.
wala kayong dadang nagpa-allocate na gano'n.
I don't know. Sa dami ng mga mayors, mga governors, mga konsehal na humihingi sa akin ng mga project, lahat pinaubaya ko na lang. Binibigay ko na lang sa mga staff ko para sila nang magbigay sa mga mayors.
Pero ano lang yung take mo na kung gantihan yung nangyayari matapos pangalanan yung mga congressmen kahapon? Yung mga senador sa kabilang part.
Well, your guess is as good as mine. Baka nagagantihan na lang.
Sir, do you think okay pa magpatuloy yung mga hearings sa Congress, saka dito, o dapat sa independent na lang para walang ganyan?
I do not know what, as far as I'm concerned, the investigations that we are doing here in the Senate is in aid of legislation.
Pero magpa-participate pa kayo, sir, ngayong pagpinalitan natin yung Blue Ribbon Chair.
Yes, of course.
And welcome development, sir, na si Lacson na
Oh, yes. Oh, si Senator Lacson naman is a very straightforward person. He's incorruptible.
So you be part of the minority na po. Ano? May minority leader na po ba kayo pag-usapan?
Yes, si Senator Alan.
ano po, tinitingnan na. So, ano intention lumipat sa majority, sir?
Not as of this moment.
Sir, sino-sino kayo sa minority?
Siyam.
All sir, yung lahat ng hindi bumoto kay Senator Soto?
Lahat yung mga hindi bumoto. Ako, Senator Bongo, De La Rosa, Padilla, Marcos, Escudero, Villanueva, Marcoleta, and Alan Peter.
Tapos, sir, siya, minority leader.
Si Senator Alan, yeah.
Sino deputy minority?
I think si Senator Marcoleta.
Ano po yung committee na in-offer po sa minority?
Oh, wala pang in-offer.
Sir, daw, Committee on National Defense, ibibigay na kay Senator.
Hindi ko alam. Maybe. That's the, yan ang prerogative na majority.
Wala kang hihingi na committee.
Wala ko. Siyempre, I've been with the minority since I entered the Senate in 2004. I was a member of the minority then. Si Senator Nene Pimentel pa ang aming minority floor leader. Siyempre, lahat yung mga leftovers ng majority binibigay sa minority. Ganun talaga.
Kung minority block, paano mo di-describe? Hindi naman magiging obstructionist.
No. We will cooperate. We will cooperate with the majority.
Na lumantad din sa hearing. Sen, lumantad din po sa hearing ngayon sa House na may convo po si Vice Fernandez with a certain Beng Ramos.
Okay.
Yung convo po is about nga dun sa kukunin ng pera. For the record, meron po ba kayong staff?
I do not have any staff named Beng Ramos since I entered the Senate. Okay? That's for sure. She's a staff of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Beng Ramos. Staff siya sa Blue Ribbon Committee. She was never my staff in my office. And I never authorized her at kahit sino man.
Growing your dream business and selling products that are loved doesn't have to be a struggle with the right tool like Odoo. Integration of your end-to-end business process makes boring labor as easy as... And managing tasks among your team becomes as simple as drag and drop. Let the right tool compile the right data for you to make smart growth strategies with confidence so that you can focus on what really matters to grow your dream business. Unleash your growth potential and let Odoo do the rest.
So, pwede ginamit lang?
Ginamit lang siguro. I don't know what her intention was. You can check my records in the Senate. Since 2004, when I first entered the Senate, up to the present, wala akong Beng Ramos na empleyado. She's not close to me. Wait. Oh, I must admit, naging girlfriend siya ng isang staff ko. Tapos. Oh.
Sir, sino yung BRT chairman?
Blue Ribbon.
Plantilla sa Blue Ribbon. Hanggang
Yes.
sa Blue Ribbon.
Yes. Oo.
Siya tatanungin, pagpapaliwanagan yung final case.
Gusto ko nga, i-recommend ako ng tanggalin siya rito eh.
O possible na siyang may transaction. Nakausap niya na siya doon.
No.
Wala kayong plano, sir, na kausapin siya?
Ba't ko siya kakausapin?
Pero hindi pwede report sa Senate leadership.
Siguro I will write a letter to SP Soto. She claims that she's my staff. Did she claim that she was my staff? Si Bryce. O, kita mo sinungaling ang hayop na yan. Saan ang proof niya na staff ko yung Beng Ramos? Nuno ng kasinungaling yung hayop na yan.
Pero so itong si Bryce, kakilala mo na siya ever?
I never met that guy. Hindi ko kilala yan. I never met him.
Alcantara sa Henry Alcantara.
Si Henry Alcantara, according to him, he was the deputy engineer sa Manila under division chief, under division head during the time of my dad when he was mayor of Manila. At si Engineer Robert Bernardo, he was the city engineer of the city of Manila at that time.
Pero hindi niyo rin nakilala?
Well, no, he's not my acquaintance. Yung sinasabi ni Bryce na nagpupunta siya sa mga birthday parties ko, may pinakita siyang litrato kasama si Secretary Laguesma. Lahat nung inibita ko ng birthday ko, mga 60th birthday ko, inibita ko lahat yung mga cabinet members. Not only si Secretary Laguesma. Siguro sumabit siya sa isang kaibigan, alam mo naman, ganun ang Pilipino, sabit-sabit. Sa picture.
So, you're confident, sir, na hindi maniwala yung partner sa
Of course, I'm confident. Napakasinungaling yan. Kita mo. Sa investigasyon lang kahapon, sa Senado, lahat pointing at him, towards him. Nung in-interrogate ko siya tungkol sa mga talo niya sa casino, yung ID niya sa casino, dinideny niya. Lahat dinideny niya. Pero may record ang Blue Ribbon Committee, may record si Senator Marcoleta, yung mga losses niya sa casino.
So, dito sa mga naging development rito, nakikita niyo kayo na ng mga investigations ng House and Senate about anomalous flood control.
Alelen?
Ano nakikita niyo kayo na did this?
Well, sana may makulong talaga. Ako, I really want to ferret out the truth. That's why I am diligently attending the Senate hearings in the Blue Ribbon Committee. Gusto ko talaga malaman ang buong katotohanan at sino talagang main culprit. Sino talagang ang demonyong nagpasimuno nito.
Sige naman privilege speech mamaya about this?
Maybe tomorrow kasi magpi-privilege speech si Senator Ping and si San Joel. Maybe kasi dalawa-dalawa na. Maybe tomorrow.
Sir, nakausap mo kayo ni Senator Joel about this? Kasi medyo kayo napangalanan mo siya.
Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
All right, Senator Jinggoy Estrada there, enraged, calling Assistant Engineer Bryce Hernandez a liar for implicating him in a $300